everyone, welcome to another Excel chat video walkthrough. I'm your host Kevin Kelly, and today we're going to be talking about copying and pasting conditional formatting. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I already know that to copy and paste on a Windows computer, you do Control C and then Control V, or on a Mac you can do Command C and Command V. Now this works, but it also copies the value that's in your cell and pastes it onto the other cells. So in this case, we really don't want to do that because we're just trying to copy the format of one cell and bring it to a group of other cells. So let's walk through that right now. Now, the way that we're going to do that is using the paintbrush approach. So right now we have our cell here, B2 with value 6, and we're going to do conditional formatting, and we're going to go to new rule, and let's say format only cells that contain, let's say, value between 5 and 10. And then we'll say that we want those to be filled in with a red color. Okay? So obviously our B2 cell is going to get filled in because 6 is a value between 5 and 10. Now, if we want to take that formatting rule and apply it to this group of cells that we have here, then what we're going to do is hit this little paintbrush icon, right? So we're going to click our painter, and as you can see, my cursor is now it now looks like a paintbrush, which is kind of neat. But so it now looks like a paintbrush, and all you have to do is now drag, and voila. So what we did was we only used the paintbrush to take the conditional formatting from our B2 cell and bring it over to the group of cells that we wanted to figure out, okay, which of these values are between 5 and 10, and then highlight and fill in those values in red. So very simple. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that it filled all of those in because they're values between 5 and 10. Obviously, it works for other conditional formatting, whether you're highlighting cells that are above average or you're doing greater than or equal to. It applies everywhere. So super simple, easy to use rule, just using the paintbrush to take conditional formatting and bring it to and apply to another set of cells. So with that being said, this has been another Excel chat video walkthrough. Thank you for joining us. And remember, for more articles on Excel and for more walkthrough videos, please go to the Excel chat website. It is got-it.ai. Again, that's got-it.ai. And you'll find a ton of resources there for Excel, how to use conditional formatting, how to, put numbers in a certain order. There's so many different articles and tools that are available on the Excel chat website. So please check it out. It'll help you so much. Having an Excel in your back pocket in business or in the real world is a super valuable asset. So please go check it out, and hopefully we will see you next time.
Still have questions? Click to get help from a live Excel expert at Excel Chat.